I apologise for this, my camera for some reason wouldn't focus or kept on hunting for something that wasn't there. And the same on this scene. So, but don't worry, the quality will improve later on, I promise. Right, I've just taken a picture of this tree here. I didn't have time to show you a blog on this because the light's fading rapidly. I did come out to photograph another tree, but I forgot there's a huge evergreen bushy sort of clump of trees right in front of it, so the sunlight, which would have lit up beautifully like a crystal chandelier, was obscured from that very point. So what I'm going to do now, hopefully I'll wait until the sun sets, and hopefully we might get some colour in the reverse of the sunset. So not in the west, well, not the west, it's southwest, it'll be the southeast. So you get the colour from the sunset projected onto the back of the sky, and you get those purples and blues and pinks, and that might be a nice backdrop to a silhouette or near silhouette of a silver birch tree. Well, we'll see what happens. So I want to try and find something else to photograph and just wait and see what happens with this lovely sunset. I was hoping for a bit of cloud, but as usual, when you want cloud, you don't get it. When you don't want cloud, you've got it. So I'll just press on and I'll speak to you later. And what do you think of this tree? I know it's a bit naff, but the light was nice on it, and it's the only thing I could find. So tell us what you think in the comments. Is it a crap tree? Or is it a good photograph? Who knows? Well, as you can see from this, I've taken a picture of these, was it cow parsley, I think it is, with a bit of frost. I've done a bit of pruning on the, just to expose and keep one separate, one of the heads separate, and I've placed it against the background of the grass down below. I've taken one at f5.6, no, 5.6 I think, or f5, and one at f11, just to see the benefits of completely dropping out the background. And f11 is, well, quite close to the subject, so the background should drop out quite nicely, but we'll just see how this goes out. As usual, didn't have enough time to set this up properly and show you what I was doing, because the sun's slowly setting. Well, here we have f4 on the left and f11 on the right. I think I prefer f11 with the f4 background. So nothing to choose between them really. They're both got their own faults, but that's how it goes. So in the future, I think I would have put the a black background, either use my coat or my vlogging tripod to separate the seed head from the background. I think that would have been a lot better. So I'll try harder next time.
you can probably see people walking past my composition. It's got no consideration for an artist at work.
Well, I'm just trying to photograph this shot. This tree here, this silver birch. Don't know whether getting any much more colour. There's a footpath behind it, so people are walking through the scene. You may see someone emerging from the bottom left. So I've got to wait until they exit the frame, and then press the shutter button. Usual thing, 100 ISO. F11 what is it, a fifth of a second, but you got a lot of latitude on when it's like this because it's lit by flat light from the sky, so you can overexpose it quite a bit and then push back the sliders on your software to restore the colour and stuff. So I'm just going to take a snap every few minutes. I'll keep it the histogram in the middle really, and so you got so there's no real highlights, no real shadows, but you got enough you can play around with where you want it to be. The two peaks, the shadows and the highlights, are well within the range, so it's a fifth of a second f11. Yeah, and see by the colour ones they're in 2. Well, that'll do. We'll see what happens now, see how that comes out.
Well, I went a bit softer with this one and made it quite flat and sort of painterly looking. I hope you like it.
Everybody stay safe, and what do you think of this shot? Please leave a comment, like and subscribe. Well, I'm photographing that tree. Sorry I can't talk, but it's the light's just falling off just behind it because there's a shadow of another big evergreen bush or tree in the way. So I'm just trying to capture the dying embers of the afternoon. Well, I think that's it for today. Well, for this shot, and here what it looks like now.
Thanks for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Also, turn on those annoying 3 in the morning notifications to keep you up to date with all new videos.